Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. Good morning, I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip, I was thinking about this idea, this Japanese term called komorebi, and we might translate it as a particular quality of the light coming through leaves. Maybe in the forest, here it's the stand of bamboo as the sun is rising, and I find it mesmerizing and entrancing, perhaps healing, inspiring for sure. And so I was kind of thinking in my practice, maybe not physically, but what quality, what moves through me, maybe not physically like light through the leaves, but maybe circulates through me or passes through me like food or ideas or expressions of energy. What passes through me, again, I'm thinking about Tai Chi Chuan, but what passes through me and offers inspiration or healing or wonder or beauty or whatever the term might be, like komorebi. So kind of having this feeling of this practice with the light coming through me. I'm sure I'm opaque, the light doesn't actually come through me, but maybe some things do pass through me. So I'd invite you to consider komorebi and see how that might fit into your practice. If you're a teacher, maybe you'd consider that your students come through you, and there might be something to that. Thank you. Enough.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.